In this video, I want to show you how to use the flashlight of your Apple Watch SE3. So the first thing you need to do is to press this button right over here. Press it once and then go down and you should see the flashlight over there. Tap on it. And now we're not done. You have three choices. First of all, we have a white screen. If you want to make it brighter, simply tap on it, and as you see, it makes it brighter and also lower the brightness depending what you want. If you switch to the next one, you're going to have a flashing white screen. Again, by tapping you can adjust the brightness. And finally we have a red screen. This is better if you're at nighttime. A red screen, this is why it's made. So this is it. These are the three settings, and once you're done, you simply press on the crown to go back on your watch face, and yeah, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.